Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies out there, abundance of upper level cirrus cloudiness across the region, giving us some filtered sunshine this morning. And continue to see that for the remainder of the day today. Then overnight we'll see a little bit of more mid-level cloud cover build in to the area, but high pressure remain in control. We'll see temperatures warming into the upper 40s today, and we'll see mid-50s for tomorrow. Looking at our sounding from this morning, our freezing level was at the surface. We have fairly light winds throughout the column, around 10 knots. The easterly component to southeasterly component up to 16,000 feet this morning, and we see our winds switch more of a west component at 25,000 feet at 23 knots this morning. Looking at our surface analysis, we have an area of high pressure across the eastern portion of the United States. We have a complex area of troughiness as well as several areas of low pressure across the plain states into the southern plains. We can see that this area of disturbed weather will be moving towards our region for Friday night into Saturday, providing us with a good chance of rainfall Saturday morning. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have a good amount of that upper level cirrus cloudiness as well as some low cloudiness off the coast and some mid-level cloudiness building into Virginia this morning. Going to see just some partly to mostly cloudy skies today. Looking at our 3 km NAM model for that system moving through Saturday morning, you can see this is at 5 a.m. or 5 local Saturday morning, and then by 7 o'clock you can see a fairly decent line of some heavier showers and even a possibility of an embedded thunderstorm in this line for Saturday morning. Looks like it should be moving through around 7 local Saturday morning, and then continuing to move through around 9 local, and then finally out of the region by about 10 to 11 local Saturday morning. So looks like that early Saturday morning time frame will be the worst of the weather, and then that rainfall and stronger winds associated with any of the showers and ahead of that cold front will move east of the area, providing us with some decent conditions for Saturday afternoon. Looking at our European model for the next few days, here's today with high pressure in control. Then we move into Friday, should see mild temperatures for Friday in the 50s. Have that warm front moving through, and then once it does move through Saturday morning, we'll see even more mild conditions moving through for Saturday afternoon with just some southwesterly winds. Not really much cold air being evected in the region for Saturday, so we'll see temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s across the region. And then for Sunday, we'll see some colder air move in the region. We'll have slightly breezy northwesterly flow, and we'll see temperatures in the lower 50s to upper 40s across the region. Moving into Monday, we'll just see this broad upper level trough across the eastern portion of the United States, and that should provide us with dry conditions, but a little bit cooler than we'll be seeing this weekend. Temperatures in the lower 50s to mid 40s throughout the early portion of next week, and that'll provide us with fairly seasonable weather, dry conditions through Tuesday, and then we'll be watching a system for Wednesday of next week to be approaching for Thursday. It'll be moving through the Arctic region on Wednesday and then moving towards our region for Thursday, so we'll keep an eye on that one for a possibility of a coastal low just off our coast. And today we'll see a high of 48 degrees, a low tonight around 36 during the evening, with temperatures rising during the overnight hours into the lower 40s. We'll see northeasterly winds 6 to 11 knots today, and then 5 to 10 knots tonight. Green chart across the board for today, and our 24-hour term forecast, we'll see VFR conditions for the next 24 hours. Could see some patchy fog develop tonight, but that's only a slight chance of occurring. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday will be mostly cloudy, slightly breezy and mild, a high of 55 degrees. Green chart for Friday, then Friday night, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions, and unseasonably mild temperatures. Rain likely by dawn with a slight chance of a embedded thunderstorm. We'll see a low of 50 degrees for Friday night with an orange for our precipitation, yellow for winds, and for our ceilings. So looking at those winds will be around 23 to 24 knots Friday night ahead of that cold front. And with any of the rainfall moving in, we could see those ceilings go below 500 feet. And for Saturday, we'll see rain likely and breezy, a slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm during the morning, then partly to mostly cloudy in the afternoon, a high of 59 degrees. Red for our precipitation as that will occur during the morning hours, and we'll see our winds as well with that cold front moving through around 25 knots, and then we'll also see our ceilings possibly below 500 feet with any heavier rain that moves through Saturday morning. And looking the next 7 days, we'll see 50 degrees on Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Cooler morning lows you can see for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday in the 30s and around freezing across the region. Monday, mostly cloudy, 48. Tuesday, partly cloudy, 46. And Wednesday, mostly cloudy, 48. So seasonable for early portion next week and dry. So it looks like some decent weather for any activities, for any outdoor activities you had for next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.